on American roads, and they can happen to anyone at any time. To protect themselves and others, drivers in the United States are required to have car insurance. Car accident insurance in the USA plays a crucial role in providing financial assistance and coverage for those involved in accidents. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the intricacies of car accident insurance in the USA, including its types, mandatory requirements, coverage options, and the claims process. Types of car accident insurance. In the United States, there are several types of car insurance coverage, each serving a specific purpose. Liability insurance. Liability insurance is mandatory in nearly all states and covers the costs of injuries and property damage you may cause to others in an accident. It is typically divided into two parts: bodily injury liability and property damage liability. The minimum coverage limits vary from state to state. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. This type of insurance provides protection when you are involved in an accident with a driver who either doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough insurance to cover your expenses. Personal injury protection, PIP. PIP coverage pays for medical expenses and, in some cases, lost wages for you and your passengers, regardless of who is at fault in an accident. PIP is mandatory in some states. Collision coverage. Collision coverage pays for the repair or replacement of your vehicle if it's damaged in an accident, regardless of who is at fault. Comprehensive coverage. This coverage pays for damage to your vehicle caused by events other than collisions, such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, or hitting an animal. Medical payments coverage. Similar to PIP, medical payments coverage helps pay for medical expenses resulting from an accident, but it typically has lower limits and is not as comprehensive. Gap insurance. Gap insurance is optional and covers the difference between the actual cash value of your vehicle and the amount you owe on your car loan or lease if your car is totaled. Mandatory requirements. Car insurance requirements in the United States vary by state. While all states require some form of liability insurance, the specific minimum coverage limits and additional requirements can differ significantly. Some states also require PIP or uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. It's crucial to understand your state's insurance requirements to ensure compliance and avoid legal consequences. Failure to maintain the necessary coverage can result in fines, license suspension, and even vehicle impoundment. Coverage options. Choosing the right coverage for your needs can be a daunting task. Here are some factors to consider when selecting your car accident insurance coverage. State requirements. Start by understanding your state's minimum insurance requirements, and make sure to meet or exceed them. Your vehicle. The type, age, and value of your vehicle will influence the coverage you need. Newer, more expensive vehicles may require comprehensive and collision coverage, while older vehicles may only need liability coverage. Your driving habits. If you have a long commute or frequently drive in high-traffic areas, you might want to consider higher coverage limits to protect yourself in case of an accident. Your budget. Insurance premiums can vary significantly based on the coverage you choose. Evaluate your budget and select coverage that provides adequate protection without breaking the bank. Additional riders. Depending on your circumstances, you may need additional coverage, such as roadside assistance, rental car coverage, or coverage for custom equipment or accessories. The claims process. If you are involved in a car accident, the claims process can be confusing and stressful. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to navigate it. Report the accident. Immediately after the accident, contact your insurance company to report the incident. They will guide you through the claims process. Gather information. Collect all relevant information at the accident scene, including the other driver's contact and insurance details, eyewitness accounts, and photographs of the accident and damages. File a claim. Fill out a claim form provided by your insurance company. Include all necessary documentation, such as the police report, medical bills, and repair estimates. Claims adjuster. An insurance claims adjuster will be assigned to your case. They will investigate the accident, review the evidence, and determine liability and coverage. Repairs and medical treatment. Depending on the outcome of the investigation, your insurance company will cover the cost of repairs to your vehicle and medical expenses, up to the limits of your policy. Resolution: once the claims process is complete, your insurance company will reach a settlement with you or the other party involved in the accident. This may involve negotiation or legal proceedings if liability is disputed. Deductible and payments: you will be responsible for paying your deductible before your insurance company covers the rest of the expenses. The amount and timing of payments can vary. It's essential to cooperate fully with your insurance company during the claims process to ensure a smooth resolution. Keep all communication and documentation organized and readily available. Conclusion: car accident insurance is a fundamental aspect of responsible car ownership in the USA. It not only helps protect you and your passengers but also provides peace of mind on the road. Understanding the types of coverage, your state's requirements, and the claims process will empower you to make informed decisions when choosing and using your car insurance. In the end, having the right coverage can make a significant difference in the aftermath of a car accident, providing financial support when you need it most.